Hey there, it's Eric Truxton, founder of Jetsits Electric, with some electrical tips for your home or business. With snowstorms hitting across the nation, we know this winter isn't holding any punches. Our hearts go out to those in Texas, and our Jetsits Electric family wants to offer tips to help us all stay ready to combat winter's blows. The biggest way to stay ready is to be charged up. Cell phones, lanterns, flashlights, etc. are all great in your home or office. Check your emergency lights and exit signs in your business or office always for safety, and it's always a great idea to have backup batteries. Don't get caught off guard, stay ready, and if you need some help, just let Jetsits Electric know. That's a wrap for today. I hope this information was useful. For more video content, subscribe below. I'll see you next week for more.